I'll tell you a secret. I use ChatGPT for this email campaign, and it's so easy for you to create this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp using ChatGPT. Did you know that 64% of small businesses use email marketing to reach customers? So how can we use ChatGPT for email marketing? By using ChatGPT, you can overcome this challenge by generating personalized email content that speaks to the needs of your customers. For example, if your customer or subscriber has recently purchased a product from your brand, you can use ChatGPT to generate a follow-up email that offers them a complimentary product or service. Or if your subscriber shows an interest in your particular product, you can use ChatGPT to generate email content that provides and with more information on that product. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there, and it's no surprise as most marketers and businesses uses Mailchimp to engage or communicate with their customers. Let's get started on creating an email campaign in Mailchimp. The first thing you have to do is log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a free account on their website. For free accounts, Mailchimp lets you send email up to 500 contacts per month. Once you log in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard. You need to choose the type of campaign you want to create. Mailchimp offers a variety of campaign types, including regular campaigns, automated campaigns, and much more. Choose the type that best suits your needs. For this example, I'm going to choose the regular email template. After you choose your campaign type, you need to select the list or audience you want to send your campaign to. You can either choose an existing list or create a new one. For this example, I have the list of emails that I want to send my email campaign to. So I'm going to run through some of the things that you'll find on Mailchimp dashboard. On your left, you will see various options to create your email and the respective layouts that you want to create for your email campaign. Mailchimp offers a drag and drop email builder that makes it easy to create professional looking emails. You can choose from a variety of templates or create your own from scratch. Make sure to include compelling content, eye-catching subject line, and a clear call to action. So I'm going to demonstrate the components of Mailchimp. I'm going to show you the basics of email creation. On the top, you will have the logo, followed by the body text or the image section. This is followed by the button for the call to action. And to top off, you have the social media icons. And of course, the footer is where you will list your contacts and mailing address. For starters, I'm gonna replace this logo with something else. So there you have it, a fitness logo. And now it's time to generate the content for our email. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to generate a content from ChatGPT. If your subscriber has recently purchased a product from your brand, you can choose ChatGPT to generate a follow-up email that offers them a complimentary product or service. So I'm going to write a prompt to generate an email content. Write me an email write-up for my customers that offers a complimentary product for resistance band. So as you can see here, ChatGPT will actually generate the email that you can send out to your customers. So instantly, this is something that you will expect from ChatGPT, and it is useful for your email purposes. So I'm gonna copy this section over here and include it in my body text. include this heading. Okay, of course, you need to customize your layout. Highlight everything, highlight this paragraph, and just left align the whole write-up, and just do the necessary formatting. And of course, you may include some other information like a discount code or other offers that you have. I'm gonna also include some additional image that is related to the product, and I'm gonna customize the button text. After you have format and include all the necessary components in your email, you can save, and of course you can choose to preview the email that you have done. If there's a need to revise the formatting, you will have to do so. Don't forget to include the subject line for your email. So it is very important because this is how your customers actually see on their email inbox, and after which you can actually send a test email. So as you can see here, this is an example of how the email that you have done on Mailchimp will appear on your Gmail. If the formatting does not align, there's some other text that you need to tweak, and of course we have to make the changes on the design editor. So for the next example, we're going to head to ChatGPT to promise another email content. This is specifically for new subscriber for our online store. So I'm just gonna start a prompt. Write me an email write-up for my new subscriber of my fitness products in my online store. So this is how ChatGPT will create email content, and of course you can actually customize accordingly. You may need to change some of the things here, like the discount code, or perhaps include your company name, so that the recipient will understand that this comes from your brand or company. I'm gonna copy the whole text, and I'm going to override this and place it on the body text. Change the subject liner, and of course the recipient's name. So we have to format accordingly. Once you have included the email content for your new subscriber, you can choose to include an image to introduce new items for your store. I just gonna upload images. I can change the call to action. Click here to buy our product. So this can be your call to action. Once you're happy with your email, it's time to preview. Mailchimp offers a preview feature that allows you to see what your email will look like on different devices. After you preview your email, you can send it to your audience. Make sure to change the subject liner. That appeals for your subscriber to perhaps buy a fitness product. Make sure you change the file name so that you will recognize the email campaign that you're sending. We're off to a good start, and once we're set, we can send it out immediately. So make sure you have all the email addresses on your list and it's correct, and send now. Once you have sent out the email campaign, you will see the exact display of the email that you have created. This is one example of how you can use ChatGPT to generate content for your email campaigns. And there you have it. This is how you create an email campaign in Mailchimp using ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can automate the process of creating email campaign, freeing up your time to focus on your businesses, saves you time and resources. So I hope you find this tutorial valuable, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and give us a like. Until then, I'll see you next time.